YouTubers, what's going on? Today we out here with Big Rick and his C6 Corvette with the drop top. Pretty nice car, low mileage. He doing big things out here. But today we is on his headlights. This is the headlights for Big Rick C6 Corvette. They fogged over. He got some more right here. He want me to take care of that for him. So the purpose of this video right here is to show you what is going on with this and how to make it easy on yourself. Alright, over here on the fender, alright, you got some Torx right here. And it's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 of them. I'm assuming every side is symmetric, so it's gonna be 7 on the other side. If you take them out, that give you a little flex from, but that's not all you're gonna have to do. Alright, this is where the headlights sit. So it's the mounting point. As you can see, it's 3 in a triangular position. 3 circles. 1, 2, 3. Those 3 is for the headlight. Now, you're not done yet. It's 3 more additional ones behind the splash shield. And splash shield is this little plastic piece covering the wheel well up. So once you move that back, you got some more screws that hold the wheel well to the fender, but you remove them, you peel it back, and I know it's tight because I'm right beside the tire, but if you see that little glimmer of light right there by where my finger is, that's one. And right here on the cutout on the fender, I know you can't see it, it's hard to see, but that's made, I think, especially for a 1/4-inch drive socket and extension with a 10mm on it. Most of them is 10mm, and it's 3 more on this side. I thought it was the same on the other side, but the other side has 1 more. It has 7. So once you remove those, you good to go. The headlight comes out. My bad. It's 4 more on the front bumper that'll give you enough slack to separate from the car to order to pull the headlights out. So that's phase 1. Both the headlights is out of this C6 Corvette. We're gonna go back. We're gonna throw Big Rick some halo eyes in his headlights. So that's where we at. Hope that video helps. Like, comment, subscribe. Stay tuned. Part 2, Big Rick Corvette C6 coming to you. Peace.